Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Latini. Today, I have solution for people with dry skin and a very tough skin. So, if you have a very dry skin, you have a very tough skin, you have a dull skin, you are the type that when you use cream, lotion on your skin, you don't really see the results that you want. You end up damaging the skin. This baby oil is a very mild baby oil for babies. Okay, but then before you use this oil for your baby, you should know your baby's skin type, whether your baby has a sensitive skin, your baby has a normal skin, your baby has a combination skin, your baby has a dry skin, your baby has an oily skin. When I gave birth to my baby boy, I tried this baby oil on his skin and I noticed that he had so many rashes on his skin. So I stopped using it. I didn't use it for him again. So I noticed that he has a very sensitive skin. So he reacted to the oil when he was a baby. He was around 1 month and I started using it for him. So I stopped. But then today I'm coming to speak about adults. It's not about kids, it's about adults. Okay. So this oil is for all skin type. A normal skin can use it, a combination skin can use it, a sensitive skin can use it, a dry skin person can use it. And sometimes if you are an oily skin person, you can use it to clear your stretch marks. All right. And this soap is not recommended for sensitive skin people. An oily skin person can use it, a combination skin person can use it, a dry skin person can use it, and also a normal skin person can use it. But this video is mostly for people with dry skin and a tough skin, okay, and people with a dull skin, okay. So if you are a dry skin person, if you have a tough skin, all you have to do is to get a body scrub, okay, and exfoliate the skin before using these two products on the skin. Because when you exfoliate the skin, it's going to make the skin soft for you so that when you use these two products, you see the result very fast. But then if you don't exfoliate the skin, it will take some time. You have to be patient and use it consistently. Okay. The body scrub you are supposed to use it twice in the week, morning and evening, twice in a week. Okay. This Kojie San, even though it exfoliates the skin, so you can use it to bath morning and evening. But then the oil, you use it in the night or even during the daytime, you can use it as well, but don't expose the skin under the sun. If you are an oily skin person and you use this baby oil on the skin, it will make you sweat a lot and it will make you look very shiny. Don't use it on the face. It's supposed to use only on the skin. If you have a stretch marks on the skin, this is how I'll show you how to use this combo to treat your stretch marks. This soap is good for glowing the skin. So if you have a stretch marks, just use this soap to bath. Then after bath, you apply the baby oil on the stretch marks. Massage it on it very well, morning and evening. And if you are a dry skin person, you bath with the Kojie San soap morning and evening. Then after bathing, you just have to use the baby oil, massage it on the skin very well, let the skin absorb the oil. Okay, when it happens like that, it's going to make the skin very soft, it's going to make the skin very smooth, and it's going to glow the skin for you as well. Okay, you're supposed to use it morning and evening. But if you are a sensitive skin person, an oily skin person, you should please use it only at night. Okay, it nourishes the skin, it fade marks on the skin, it glows the skin, it brings out your radiant skin glow, and it also makes the skin very smooth and soft. It clears white dots on the skin as well, and it makes you look younger. Okay, and this is the Kojie San. It also lightens the skin, it brightens the skin, it nourishes the skin, it exfoliates the skin, it removes dirt on the skin, it makes the skin very smooth, and it makes the skin very soft as well. So these are the roles these two products place on the skin and how you should be able to use it as well. The side effect I've noticed about this soap is that if you expose the skin under the sun, you end up having reddish on the face. So always use the soap on the face towel and use it to wash the face. And after washing the face or after bathing, just get a very nice face cream and use on the face. Okay, also this one, it makes you sweat a lot, and if you are a sensitive skin, sometimes you might react to some of the ingredients, but then because it does not involve any lightening ingredients, you will not really see any side effect whilst using it. So if you have a dry skin, you have a tough skin, you have stretch marks on the skin, you can grab these two combo and use on the skin to glow the skin as well. A baby can use the baby oil but not the Kojie San soap. Okay, but if your child is above 8 years to 10 years and you need a soap to use for him or her, you can get this product and use for your child. Okay, and this baby oil as well. So if you have ever used this two combo before, you can please share your review, your testimony, how you reacted to these two products. But if you want to buy in quantity and use, you can also get in touch with Lightening Skincare on Instagram, on Facebook, on TikTok. The fastest way to get in touch is on WhatsApp. You can WhatsApp me on 0271594053 to get the original ones and use. Beautiful people, my name is Latini once again, and please subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notification so that anytime I drop a video here, you would be the first person to receive a notification from me. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.